Car is the second most deeply penetrating factor in our lives after clothes, food, and houses. It is almost impossible to live without a car in nowadays. Then, is it possible to live with a car? Hello, I am Choi of Parking House Project. This is index of presentation. After design process, I will show you final model and its drawings. First, reason I designed parking house inside this physical condition of Hwamdong. There was good accessibility to center of Seoul like Jongno or Ganghamun through Namsan. In spite of this good location, they have narrow clogged road because of illegally parked cars, which declines trafficability of site. So I want to activate this given road system by infrastructure program. So I came up with parking lot. Next, I have to merge housing with parking, so I gave one lot for each 5 residents. And I made them to live next to parking zone by put entrance together. In this logic, I stacked 5 of them, and it provides one thin tower spontaneously. By this tower, I start manipulating. First, I stacked 8 parking units more by 4 given parameter. These surplus lots are for residents to our site. And I floated housing from ground to make huge open spaces for people. Next, by setting core elevator, I adjust proper scale and entrances. People who live here come into car lift with the car and go up together. Cars are automatically parked by system and they just go into their house. That's it. And also proper scale presented them some terraces at each roof, but some of them are not available because of height. So I shifted direction of houses to provide accessible terrace. By this process, they get spiral movement in the building and simultaneously huge terraces. Next is structure system. I have to solve cantilever structure with steel. So I came up with triangle, which is stiff and very efficient form. With this triangle pattern, I manipulated to support weak points more, and I deformed it to shift, and I reformed it to produce spaces. In this process, I finally came up with this building. Let's get into more detail. This is floor plan. As you can see, this house is for single. And this is section. I put all MEP shaft and elevator to core. And for railing, I want to make foam clear and also some transparency. So I choose metal mesh. This is detail section. In parking zone, they don't need finishing concrete slab and insulation, but some more stiffness. In housing but they need some more materials and structure and also some other things. Last is my physical model. In this model, I focus on clear form of triangulation. Glasses in hallway present transparency, so it makes building more lighter. By panel, material I used reflecting titanium panel. Thank you for listening my project.